so what we have here, it's an automatic transmission, push button with an electric shift PTO. So this is just pretty simple, just by turning on PTO switch. Pump is running at this time. You want to spray from your front, your side sprayer, or your rear sprayer. Just any of your switches on, and then give it to throttle. Okay. Turn it off. Turn the PTO off. Now, you do want to remember that when the truck is in drive, when you're being mobile with the truck itself, and the PTO is running, and you have one of the sprayers off, you need to make sure whenever you're gonna close the sprayer off, that you're not going in a high idle. Should I say, 5 miles per hour, 6 miles per hour. The reason why that is being, you have the PTO running, and then you keep turning on and off the switch, the air switch. What you're creating is basically creating pressure in the pump, in and out, in and out. With time, that will basically become a problem. By the PTO will sometimes break the shaft, or the impeller will break. So whenever you're spraying and you become to a stop, just make sure that you turn off your PTO. And so we're gonna demonstrate this. We are gonna be using the D drive, and we're gonna be using gear number 1. That's how this system is gonna work at its best. So we'll demonstrate that in the next video.